Hey, you need to pay attention to this final video before I take you over to your purchase. But first, let me say a big congratulations to you for getting special access to MarketingBlocks AI Business Builder. Indeed, this could easily be the best investment you made this year for your business and your overall financial well-being. As a reward for taking action today, we've decided to open up an exclusive and never-seen-before opportunity to all our new founding members. But before I spill the beans, let me ask you a quick question. How would you like to become a part owner of the MarketingBlocks AI app? Yeah, you heard me right. I mean, having full ownership rights that give you access to create and sell user accounts as if it were your own app, charge whatever fee you want, and then go ahead and keep 100% revenue from every sale you make. Sounds incredible, right? But believe it, because today, as a founding member, we're offering you the opportunity to get full reseller rights to MarketingBlocks for a hugely discounted one-time fee. Come to think of it, local business owners desperately need to do more with their branding and overall marketing efforts if they ever want to stand a chance in this market. And what better and easier way can they do this than with MarketingBlocks? Even freelancers and digital agencies need a tool like MarketingBlocks that'll help them deliver much faster and efficiently too. In fact, anyone who wants to make money online will readily jump on this when you offer it to them, especially when they see the massive value it will help them bring to the table. So you see, if this is all true, and obviously it is, then you could literally make thousands of dollars every single month with this opportunity without you doing any serious work, no fluff. Here's how it works. Immediately, you take action on this page and you get access to the following. Your MarketingBlocks reseller license, which unlocks your opportunity to profit massively from the booming software market. Access to your very own reseller dashboard where you can create and manage fully functional MarketingBlocks user accounts. Done-for-you marketing materials that include a professionally designed sales page, high-converting sales video, testimonials, case studies, proven email swipes, and even Facebook ads. With this, selling will be a breeze as each asset is professional and has been tested and proven to convert. Product and customer support, plus all future updates are handled by the MarketingBlocks team too. This is a massive opportunity that you can instantly plug into and start profiting from right now. But you need to act fast because we're making this offer extremely limited. We don't want it to get saturated, and this is why we're offering only a few reseller licenses up for sale. Once we hit the number, this page will go down and this incredible offer will be gone for good. Remember, this is a special launch offer and thousands of persons are going to come to this page. So there's no reason why you shouldn't secure your access to this upgrade immediately, especially now while you still can. You purchased MarketingBlocks because you believe it's a great product and you can see the massive solution it offers in the face of the new business realities. Well, if it's good for you, it's also good for others, especially now that the demand for quality and professional marketing assets is mandatory if you ever want to stand a chance in the online space. Every local business owner wants and needs to leverage the internet to grow their business. And how best can they do this than with MarketingBlocks and all its awesome features? Think about it. Not to mention, the earning potential for you is absolutely limitless. You can create and sell fully functional MarketingBlocks accounts and charge your users monthly or a premium one-time fee. The choice is completely yours. If you're truly ready to make a full-time income or even six figures with only part-time effort, then make sure you grab this exclusive reseller license upgrade today. This is a great opportunity and the timing couldn't be better. The opportunity to profit big time from selling a solid and mass appeal software that provides a solution that the market desperately needs and without you doing any of the tedious work is as good as it'll ever get. So don't delay. Go ahead and grab your license right now and we'll get you set up to start selling immediately.